ner malake niam data loy der we kaya anda mandu ni chankos nyamale ya nong wai ni gwasa me ka Nuer TV bana jo me bana jelinkel jo inshallah de kum SPL aigo te ka kwar te sha kwen ka kor gwate pai we shana keling bana kula racha ka kwi kuma ka mente kalankan kanyirol kan lertu ko kien bu kon kalinga jan gwas me gore jan obrodi palpinya anda mandu ni chang kon nyak en wale chang ka wal bangwan ka pai badak ron kina dangro widi jan dangro widi die te kon kalere gor kono bana kaling ka jan lera mane chana chuli enkel salary ne kume SPLI o mente kalankan min la gwas kume doar nyirol indeed she honorable Peter gat kot kong duor che jakwan ala kwerki commissioner me beliep kalat ala kwer nyirol indeed no salary jen chaje kambo ngoni ko beje tiap ki beje pat ka shanka wal badak ka jen pai badak ron kine dangro wudi jan dangro wudi diech chajo mo chajalat jalad nuen kwenye motuo ka korke me cha kwer nyirol ewal chaje tuk kalankan mila ramkel kes pele maji ka korke me cha kwer spele mayo ne daktore ma chaten chaje yen re wike juba kana kwar kuma kes pele mayo tungwan kokien shungwane wich kan yes pele ayo di altintere duarmo shuka we simal shebedak no ka changa ndanga wud badak chutogo no nene chimot barar ku kuma jonglei karoi kwarandit no honorable Dr. Guy Cook diang chagwas kuma ka min di ninyirol min ta kalankan ger chenang re chen ka pading ne ka nangde ka pading chu korbu na spela maji wutin ne cha tu kalankan chu we chen dor chen gwani ka panyang shwala shojo kap ngini no amena wala jale de la kwer kanyirol indit la commissioner en kweren pa kwan e bonus pile mayo leda ka tet honorable oyet Nathaniel mila kwer in let ka gwat kwarindit no honorable Dr. Reg Machar ban jangaje no chi kuma chore da gwaseme chi konte dia le ko ne shalat me cha kuma spelayo chaje dissolve ke cha ka wo kwara anta me chatogo no shi kume moraike Dr. Machar chikan kwari ndo dien chikan nyoka milas kana let chika me chana ngaje no tika kware akwanya ne kan kwat totoni kan kwarin ko nan tamatin chikan no kono bikan kwarin bikan gor biajo me biajeling ka jen duob andan en chatogo je ko de konte ka ngurung katin konte lat karodian bana wo ka ler do dien mande kono ling Anjo bana nyoko milling kono gwasame bana raike ku South Sudan ambassador to Kenya shika raike taro fiji anchika chui ka jara wika kakuma kana gwaza chalka kalobeyi bana raike manana shika lat gwasame ko gor lengai kono no ko kor gwasedan shate ka refugees ti chop ko kudang jok ti jal ka chokien ne ka kakuma shika wone ka torit ka taidan ji kono ngai keje so ji chonmi di chetore wish winimi ani chana jo me chana jelinkel ko do badan en chikana lat keje South Sudan ambassador to Kenya Anthony Kon has raised concern about the situation of South Sudanese refugees living in Kakuma and Kalabaya camp. Speaking in Nairobi during a meeting with the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees UNHCR, Ambassador Kon highlighted the challenges refugees face, including reduced food ration and growing security issue inside the camp. The ambassador also noted that he recently met with Kenya Prime Cabinet Secretary to discuss the matter. He suggests that solution could be found through joint cooperation between the Kenyan government, the South Sudanese Embassy, and the South Sudanese Embassy and refugee representative. Jolin kon mogwaseme atada na shukuma na shika jekaje kinetin kontin tere which ka Kenya ne kon la kwar chiga roi katada na shuna kaje ka kiam dunka kuma lo chojenda ambetin chala de la ration ke kon na tukwe kon wajen chadak na mo wajaga na jaga go chuje long bana jeling nyok. The UNHCR representative confirmed that refugees are facing difficulties due to reduced funding, She explained that global budget cuts forced the organization to cut food supplies and reduce staff. Refugees are now supported based on individual needs, with the review process for those who face serious challenges. She welcomed the ambassador's proposal for a joint tripartite meeting and promised to consult with the UNHCR commissioner about the idea. The South Sudanese embassy said it will continue to follow up on the matter to ensure that safety and well-being of its citizens in the camps. Richten kon tilat Caribbean car of JKM kakuma corrected it. Gwan mishala no ala kwentele je kwen dande kulisham ta dande na de kan take gwade dan channeling no chetene kanete moshiliu kienete moshirek chikane jeka kakuma kem. No. Chigajo ku lengwase me an ambassador kon iche jeka official Lieutenant kon to United Nations High Commission for Refugees kadwo badana china chiku chukeje rewika kakuma kem wa chikende mshirname chikana lat ko goje no dwo badana dong de refugees de kumika kwen kaje ko ntemu ko refugees tikare shikemi dita long kajo inshallah de no. So chicken lada wona gwasa me mugoro de kono lingo gwa long ko kon no kono bantindi al kon lat Caribbean banaka linken. We begin in Nairobi, Kenya, where South Sudan Ambassador Anthony Kon has raised serious concern about the condition faced by South Sudanese refugees living in Kakuma and Kalabayi camp. Ambassador Kon met with officials from the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, also known as UNHCR, to discuss the challenges. He said that many refugees are suffering because of food ration being reduced and there are ongoing security problems within the camp. The ambassador also explained that recently a discussion with Kenya Prime Cabinet Secretary from those talks, he suggests that a joint effort could have improved the situation. According to him, solution can only be found if the Kenyan government, UNHCR, the South Sudanese embassy, and refugee representative all work together. In response, the UNHCR representative admitted that the agency is facing difficulties. She explained that because of global budget cuts, there is less money available for refugee support. This has forced UNHCR to reduce food supplies and cut down on staff. The official added that refugees are now supported based on their level of need. For those facing serious challenges, there is a process to review their cases and provide more assistance. She also welcomed Ambassador Kon's idea for a joint tripartite meeting. She says she will present the proposal to the UNHCR Commissioner for further discussion. For now, the South Sudanese Embassy in Kenya said it will continue working with all parties involved to make sure the safety and well-being of South Sudanese citizens in the camp remain a priority. And you calling a tada and shuina kajere wishing with me. Komai kondi alano South Sudan kajan gwasa mene di alji potiwa kamni. Take am shunya atin gwa mitela kwenta to go teten. So jo lin kona me tada and chala de jen wo shika je kadobo dan dong the situation de ya lekeje. Ko yena ko kam kuna lo ko South Sudan be jelong gwa mo ngoda en tam situation teten kidirek teten teten. So they je gwa kajan gwas men wo de ne to content a lot of refugees they can live ko de wo ka juba ke de wo ka South Sudan. Gwan ngot kor teten. Jo me jena na go de nywa kon kel ban je ban yo je ko mo de biate mal.